Welcome guys, welcome to another video guys. Today I am taking you with me to the cheesecake shop. So I'm going in to get Tony a birthday cake. My son is with me, so we're going to look at cake and we're going to choose one for Tony. So guys, I had to turn down noise, so I do a voiceover. So look at the beautiful cake that they have. I'll get this one for Tony, the yellow one, the fruits on the top, as he doesn't like chocolate. So they have a wide variety of cakes here, so keep watching guys. So guys, we are looking at cake and my son is saying one of these cake look like a tile. So guys, I'm gonna let you hear his voice. I'm just cracking up. Jovan saying,
yeah, there. Watch it, that one that look like tile, you know. Wait, bring it back up.
So guys, that's Jovan making a little fun with me. He does not like camera, so let's look around on the cakes. You have some lovely cakes. Wow, this one is beautiful. And look at this one. And here we have the numbers for the cake and the birthday sample cakes over here, which is nice. You can try it out. So guys, this is the cake I'm getting for Tony.
The next day.
So guys, this is a continuation of the cake shopping and now today is the official birthday of Tony.
Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me.
Alright, so guys, we are gonna have lunch today, but we're gonna go a few places before to do some business, so we will update you when we get close to where we're gonna have lunch. But I'm not gonna film the part where we're gonna do a little bit of running around doing some business. So I'll show you a little part of the highway and the road, and then when we get close to the location, then I'll start show you videos. So guys, thank you all too for subscribing, and I love reading your comments. Big up and bless up everyone. So guys, we are in Adelaide. Tony, what's the name of this street again?
South Terrace.
We're on South Terrace. I think one day
King William Street in front of us.
Yeah, I got a ticket on this street one day.
You did?
Yeah.
Driving my car.
They called me from work to do a shift. I was at the garage, guys, and right here I got a ticket, and that ticket was
only
50
kilometres an hour here.
Yeah.
And my ute takes off fast.
Yep.
And you have a lead foot.
Yep. And this is where it.
Lead foot, Michelle.
Yeah. That day I worked the shift, and that money couldn't cover that ticket that I worked for the shift. Ticket was $500. Anyway, Tony helped me pay the ticket, so that's good. So that's a little story. So now I'm used to Tony's vehicle, so it's all good. I won't be getting another one. So guys, we are on Franklin Street.
And we have to cross King William Street, and it turns into Flinders Street.
And look at this clock, guys. So guys, Tony is out there paying for parking. And with this you have to put in your registration number, plate. Yep. So guys, Tony. So guys, I'm waiting outside here for Tony. It's beautiful. So guys, we left the other location and now before we have lunch, we are gonna go to Ikea because my chopper, I need a chopper, so I need chopper, so we're gonna go and get that. Then we have lunch, so we are taking you along with us. So stay tuned. So guys, we are coming up close to the Adelaide Central Market. I did a video on this already, you can check that out. So guys, we are at Ikea. We're gonna find a parking.
Come on,
guys.
baby.
So guys, we are in. Here is a lovely kitchen at the front and the wooden spoons are here. I'll be getting a set of wooden spoons today. Nice water bottle. So here's the metal ones, guys, but I think these will just fry your pot up, so I don't want to really use the metal. That one is good. We are trying to cut out the plastic, guys, because I saw something that it's not safe. Oh, here the wooden spoons are here. Let me see. How much for one? Wow. So we'll take one, guys.
Get two, we can have a wooden spoon fight.
Yes. Wooden spoon fight. And this is oh, here's the chopper. What's the price of that?
$25.
$25, guys.
There's a different one for 20, but
we have one of these already. They're very good.
20, 25.
Oh,
You gotta use it, so you want to hang on to it and see.
this one.
That one?
Yeah. No, this feel heavy. the other one feel lighter. So guys, in here you can find everything that you want for the kitchen. Guys, look at these knives. I'm just doing a quick walkthrough. And these are for $25. So let's go over to, this is serving boards, guys. Cut bread on this one.
Oh, I see.
What's the price for these? $6. So guys, I'm over this section. You can find all the cushions. Beautiful. Guys, these are for $6. So guys, this is a make-believe bath with all these things on it. Tony? So guys, over here you have all wooden. And guys, over that section is the towel section. I'm not gonna go through that today because we are going to have lunch. So guys, you can use this as an organizer, bathroom maybe. You do sewing. This is for books. Guys, here we have some pencil lamps. So guys, here we have the flower section, but I'll have to come back another day because it's very big in Ikea. So let's proceed to check out that. So guys, we are on our way out and we are passing this section. So don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend. See you in the next video, guys. Have a lovely weekend. So guys, this is all we got. So we are gonna pay for it and head out. So guys, we buy 2 of each. So we get 2, 1 of each, guys. So guys, now we are leaving Ikea and see you at home for the cutting of the cake. So don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, share with a friend. See you in part 3. Tony is ready to cut the cake. So guys, I've almost finished putting the candles on. So guys, Tony is lighting these candles. Happy birthday, Tony.
Lucky it's not 64, I would have milked the cake. Wouldn't want to be ice cream cake, would it?
I tell you.
It'd be runny cake by the time I got to the last one. Goodness me, I have to do another match. Come on.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
To me.
Come on, go. Happy birthday, dear Tony. Happy birthday to you.
Huh?
Yeah.
I have trouble chewing that. Huh?
Yep. Go, Tony, go.
Where's your right? Oh, chew that orange. I won't get a job working at the restaurant. Jesus. Joey.
So guys, this is gonna be the end of this little video. Thank you for watching. So guys, this is Tony's card and he's keeping his present a secret. So bye for now, guys.